If you are having trouble setting up your Epson printer, then this video is all you need. No matter whether you're a beginner who does not know the process or someone facing issues during setup, you will be able to complete the setup by the end of this video. Here, I'm going to show you simple steps to set up an Epson printer with an LCD panel using the smartphone device. So, without any further ado, let's begin. Before we start the step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. For the first step, move to the LCD panel of your Epson printer and choose the settings option by scrolling it to the right. After that, tap on the general settings option. Then, you need to choose the network settings option. Go ahead and tap on Wi-Fi setup. For the connection method, choose Wi-Fi. Once you see the status screen, then choose Change Settings. On the Connect via Wireless Router screen, select the Wi-Fi Setup wizard. Once you see the Wireless Connections option, then choose yours. Next, tap on the password of the network and tap on OK. Now, your printer will be connected to Wi-Fi. Press the Home button to move back. Well done! If you have completed the connection process, now we will complete the setup on the smartphone device using the Epson app. You can use the Android or iOS smartphone for the connection. On your phone, open the Epson app. Note, if you do not have the app, then install it from the App Store or Play Store according to your phone. On the app screen, tap on the plus icon to add your printer. On the next page, tap on Connect to a product already on Wi-Fi. Once you see the Epson printer series name on it, tap on it and the setup will be complete. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.